Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel The Knowledge Tree. YouTube, today we have chosen the topic how we can boost our immune system to fight against the coronavirus. The question comes on our mind, can we boost our immune system to fight against the coronavirus? These are the question on everyone's mind. As we face a worldwide crisis, we don't yet know how to fully prevent or manage the damage caused by coronavirus that is new to us. In the midst of a global pandemic, our body's immune system are working wonders to protect us from a bugs and a virus. But how will it protect us from a new virus COVID-19 which are responsible for corona diseases? Is we have a immunity against coronavirus, as coronavirus COVID-19 strain is so new it yet not known how our body will build up immunity to the virus. But there is a good news, people are recovering from coronavirus, that the immune system can successfully fight off the coronavirus. Our body will have a capacity to build a immunity to the coronavirus if exposed. However, like many viruses, this coronavirus can change easily, and often a new version of a virus may have the ability to hide the immune memory cells. So it's our moral duty to protect our immune system. Looking our body and keeping ourselves healthy is vital, particularly during an outbreak like a current coronavirus. Protecting your immune system will help keep you healthy in future and help to recover from illness. Now it's not a time for a drastic lifestyle changes, but the small thing matters. So what we can do right now to keep our immune system healthy? Practicing the healthy promoting behavior that keeps your own immune system functioning at top capacity. A nutritious diet and optimum function immune system can never go wrong. If you have a healthy immune system, your bodies can safeguard you from any disease, even a novel coronavirus. A clinical nutritionist says a list of immune boosting foods are: first one is a turmeric, which is known as a haldi. The turmeric is known for a antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the compound present in a turmeric, is very potent agent and aided in healing of the wounds and infections. Natural antivirus food like tulsi leaves, garlic and ginger are some of the natural antivirus foods. Vitamin, among all kind of vitamin C and vitamin D play a major role in strengthening one's immunity. For a same, one should have more citrus food and a vitamin like amla, lemon, orange and other. Also egg yolks and mushrooms are good source of a vitamin D. Next one is curd. Curd is a natural probiotic and aids in the formation of a good bacteria in our body. Remember, it has to be freshly made. Zinc, it is another nutrient that help your immune system and metabolism function. An individual can either take a zinc supplement or include in their diet through cashews, pumpkin seeds, etc. Acacia, you can see in a given slide, a plant is a acacia. The flower is shown, the acacia. Acacia is a herb that fight against the flu, help to control our blood sugar, aids healthy cells growth, reduce the risk of breast cancer, help to manage the anxiety, lower the blood pressure, reduce the inflammation. Researchers shows it help in the development of a white cells which fight against the infection. And there are many things we can do. You can prioritize these things, basic steps for protecting and improvement of your immune system. First of one is don't smoke, get adequate sleep, right amount of exercise. Observation study shows that those who exercise tend to suffer fewer infection less than those do not. Stress management, we can manage the stress and the immune system ability to fight against the antigen reduced when the person isn't stressed. Drinking alcohol is very harmful. And traveling, avoid all kind of non-essential travel. Avoid being exposed to the public transport system and a public place to avoid any likelihood to exposure. The Ministry of Ayush has recommended a following self-care guidelines as preventive measure and to do boosting immunity with special reference to the respiratory health. The guidelines are: drink warm water throughout the day, practice meditation, yogasana and pranayama, increase the intake of turmeric, cumin, coriander and garlic, drink herbal tea, avoid sugar, apply ghee or coconut oil in both the nostril or to keep the nostril clean, inhale steam with mint leaf and karwa seeds. Thank you YouTube for watching my channel The Knowledge Tree. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more informative video. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.